In this video, I would like to talk about the CodeWorkout program question, ListLength. Write a method called ListLength that takes in a list of string and returns a list of their lengths as integers. You must create a new list for your answer. And here, this is the example. And the first one, given 4 strings, and which is in the list, we want you return another list and also hold 4 values. And each value corresponds to the length of a string in the given list in the corresponding location. For example, the first string, which is empty string, and such that in the list, we should have a 0 in the first location, right? And then this is the one string, only hold 1 letter, and such that in the second position, they should have a 1. And the last one have 3 letters, so length is the 3. And they will be in the last element in the generated list. Even for empty string, empty list, given empty list, we also would like you to generate an empty new list. So let's check the step. And the step here, first step, we need to create a declare and initialize a list, right? And since the list, which is in the interface, we cannot use interface to create a specific object. And such that we have to use a concrete class to make object. So let's use array list. And since this argument for this generic class, which is the string, and what we expected results is integer array list. So let's say this is generate an integer array list, right? It's the first step. Second step, we want to scan or walk through the list. And the retriever, walk through the list, retriever string element, and insert its length, which corresponds to element length, into the new list, right? Into this new list. Let's give this name A, and then this should be A, right? So one by one. And such that we can go here and to translate what we write the pseudocode to the Java code. So we say declare an initialize integer array list. Data type is list, and this is a data type argument integer. Let's give name. Let's say this is the list length, and it's equal to new. And here we need to give concrete class, and this is the integer data type, and there's empty, no argument. And then after that, it is we can use a for loop, and give the list. We can use enhanced for loop. So we see here, since each element in the list is string, that's name variable, string variable, and this is from the list, given list. We check each item, and then after that, it is we need to insert ListLength dot add, and that is items get length. And they have another, it is return the parentheses. And then since we have the open brace, so we also need to have closed brace. And after that, it is we return ListLength. And so here, the string, which is we extracted directly, which is the length, item length. So now let's check the results. Now we go back to here. So let's say we miss the semicolon, right? Semicolon. Then we do one more time. Okay, very good.